Welcome to Project Management MCQs on Scope Management Part 3, aligned with the PMBOK 7th edition. Question 41. Midway through execution, business priorities shift, reducing market relevance if the original scope continues. What is the best action? A. Continue as planned. B. Initiate change control aligned with new strategy. C. Ignore external factors. Or D. Accelerate schedule. The correct answer is B. Initiate change control aligned with the new strategy. Strategic realignment is required when business priorities shift. Question 42. Which situation represents a scope failure despite meeting all documented requirements? A. Customer dissatisfaction post-launch. B. Budget overrun. C. Schedule delay. Or D. Vendor conflict. The answer is A. Customer dissatisfaction post-launch. This occurs when requirements are met, but expectations remain unmet. Question 43. A complex project has evolving requirements and high uncertainty. What is the best lifecycle choice? A. Strict predictive. B. Iterative or adaptive. C. Waterfall with frozen scope. Or D. Contract-driven execution. The correct option is B. Iterative or adaptive. High uncertainty favors an adaptive approach. Question 44. A stakeholder requests early delivery of a partial scope. This represents A. Decomposition. B. Scope prioritization. C. Fast tracking. Or D. Crashing. The correct answer is B. Scope prioritization, as it involves prioritizing which deliverables are needed sooner. Question 45. Failure to link benefits to deliverables most directly impacts A. Cost control. B. Value realization. C. Risk mitigation. Or D. Resource allocation. The answer is B. Value realization. Deliverables must be designed to drive anticipated benefits. Question 46. Scope changes are frequent due to emerging technology risks. What should be strengthened? A. Team size. B. Scope baseline rigidity. C. Risk management integration. Or D. Cost reserve. The correct choice is C. Risk management integration, as the scope volatility is driven by risk. Question 47. Which document defines detailed descriptions of WBS components? A. Scope statement. B. WBS dictionary. C. Charter. Or D. Changelog. The answer is B. WBS dictionary, which provides details for each work package in the work breakdown structure. Question 48. A project is terminated early because expected benefits are no longer viable. This demonstrates PMBOK 7 focus on A. Budget preservation. B. Value delivery over output. C. Scope freeze. Or D. Contract compliance. The correct option is B. Value delivery over output. Project termination ensures focus on value rather than mere completion. Question 49. Two stakeholders disagree on scope priorities. What is the best first action? A. Escalate immediately. B. Facilitate value-based discussion. C. Freeze scope. Or D. Choose sponsor preference. The answer is B. Facilitate a value-based discussion, promoting collaborative resolution. Question 50. A product increment meets the definition of done, or DOD, but not regulatory approval. What failed? A. Cost baseline. B. Definition of done, alignment with compliance. C. Schedule tracking. Or D. Stakeholder engagement. The correct answer is B. Definition of done, alignment with compliance. The DOD must include regulatory criteria. Question 51. Excessive documentation slows scope decisions. This indicates poor A. Governance tailoring. B. Risk analysis. C. Cost estimation. Or D. Resource allocation. The answer is A. Governance tailoring, suggesting over-governance without adjustment to the project context. Question 52. A change request is approved but not communicated to the team. This creates A. Scope ambiguity. B. Stakeholder satisfaction. C. Faster delivery. Or D. Cost savings. The correct choice is A. Scope ambiguity. This results from a breakdown in governance and communication. Question 53. Which best supports scope clarity in cross-cultural global teams? A. Assumptions. B. Visual artifacts and clear documentation. C. Verbal alignment. Or D. Flexible interpretation. The answer is B. Visual artifacts and clear documentation, as clarity helps avoid cross-cultural misunderstanding. Question 54. Scope trade-off decisions should primarily be guided by A. Sponsor pressure, B. Value optimization, C. Team preference, or D. Historical precedent. The correct option is B. Value optimization, aligning with the PMBOK 7 value focus. Question 55. A predictive project repeatedly modifies scope without baseline updates. What risk emerges? A. Stakeholder engagement, B. Loss of scope integrity, C. Higher morale, or D. Faster delivery. The answer is B. Loss of scope integrity. Maintaining baseline discipline is essential in predictive projects. Question 56. An adaptive team refuses detailed upfront requirements. This reflects A. Poor planning, B. Agile principle of emergent scope, C. Governance weakness, or D. Budget mismanagement. The correct answer is B. The agile principle of emergent scope, where requirements develop throughout the project. Question 57. Which technique best ensures minimal scope overlap between multiple vendors? A. Risk sharing, B. Clear statement of work boundaries, C. Fast tracking, or D. Milestone reporting. The answer is B. Clear statement of work boundaries, essential for managing multi-vendor projects. Question 58. A completed deliverable exceeds requirements and increases cost unnecessarily. This indicates A. Value optimization, B. Scope creep, C. Gold plating, or D. Risk mitigation. The correct choice is C. Gold plating, adding unnecessary features beyond the agreed-upon scope. Question 59. Scope control effectiveness is best demonstrated by A. Zero change requests, B. Approved changes aligned with governance, C. Strict refusal of all changes, or D. Frequent informal updates. The answer is B. Approved changes aligned with governance, showing controlled flexibility. Question 60. In complex environments, scope decisions should consider interdependencies using A. Linear thinking, B. Systems thinking approach, C. Isolated WBS review, or D. Cost focus only. The correct answer is B. Systems thinking approach. This approach considers the project and its scope as part of a larger, interconnected system, aligning with the PMBOK 7 principle. Thank you for watching. Please watch part 4 of this video to continue learning about scope management. Like and subscribe to this channel to keep learning efficiently and grow your career. Good luck.